the same question a little more frequently.
Okay.
People want to know about tickets going on sale for the Missouri State Fair. Well, guess what? We have got the information. It's Clarity Night. Welcome to 2012 Missouri State Fair, August 9th through the 19th.
Pre-sale is going on at 9 o'clock, June 11th.
June 11th.
Wow.
This is it.